Hair transplantation can be performed in a variety of ways. Here I'm showing FUE, or follicular unit excision hair transplant, where we harvest the hair follicles individually from the back of the scalp. The hair follicles are then sorted and separated. Here you can see the hair follicles up close, ready for implantation in a variety of sizes and shapes. We then make recipient sites in the recipient area. We do this using specialized instruments, in this case a modified needle, in order to make tiny slits that will receive the grafts. We do this many thousands of times, depending on the number of grafts that we're implanting. Here you can see the grafts being implanted individually. Many recipient sites are already created here, and the grafts are being placed one at a time into the holes. And then at the completion of the case, we have several thousand grafts that have been implanted in this case, and they're implanted into the holes and ready to start growing.